Hi everyone, for today's video, I'm going to show you on how we are going to create a Google account. Let's get started. Firstly, we need to go to our mobile browser. So just like for example, I have here Google Chrome. And once we are here, we can type in on the search icon, create Google account. So once we are here, we can scroll down and we are going to click this, create a Google account. So we will just be waiting for this one to load in. And once we are here, all we need to do is to click for myself. So we're going to click that. And basically it would route us here wherein we do have the option to sign in if we do have an existing Google account. But if in case that we don't have, we can click create account. We're going to click this one. And again, we're going to click for myself. So this time we can go ahead and type in our name. So just like for example, this one. And right after that, we can go ahead and click next. So this time we can input our birth date. So just like for example, we have here and our gender as well. So with that, we can go ahead and click next. By this time, we can now input our username. So username should be unique. So we need to make sure that there is no duplication of usernames. So unfortunately, this username was already taken. So we need to create a new one instead. So just like for example, about this. So we're going to click next. And that is not yet taken. So we can go ahead and input the password. So just like for example, and right after that, we're going to click next. And we need to input our mobile numbers. So just like for example, and we need to click next. So basically, we will be receiving a code from that number. So we have 096123 123, and we need to click next. And right after that, we will be routed on this part wherein we do have the option to sync this particular number or not. And so for the sake of this tutorial, I'm just going to skip this. And right after that, we're going to review our account by clicking next. So once we are here on the privacy and terms, we're going to scroll down and we are going to click here, I agree. So basically, we now have our new Google account. So there you have it. This is how we are going to create Google account. I hope this video was helpful. Until the next one.